To sear the scallops, we're going to get the oil smoking hot once again.
Okay. Yeah, you really need a hot pan for scallops, right?
Yeah, absolutely. We're going to add just a little bit of salt to the scallops to both sides. I'm going to try to get a lot of color on one and then just flip it over and finish cooking on the other.
Okay.
On the other side.
So you want to get that really deep caramelized on one side.
Absolutely.
If you do it on both sides, it'll
be overcooked,
overcook, right?
Yeah, absolutely. The oil's almost hot. Now we're going to add the scallops.
Nice sizzle. And you can see them like instantly start to seize up.
Yeah, this will come up nice.
I noticed you don't use a lot of pepper, mostly just salt.
Not really. We have salsa and stuff.
I've noticed a lot of chefs use pepper more as a specific spice rather than a seasoning like salt. You feel that way?
Or something deeper like a sauce or...
Right. About how long do the scallops take?
About 2 or 3 minutes, depending.
Pretty
But
quick.
mostly on one side. Yeah, they're pretty quick. So we're going to color on one side. We'll flip them. We'll add a little bit of butter and just baste a little bit just to cook them through.
Perfect.
So the scallops are getting some nice color. We're going to turn it down a little bit just so they don't burn.
Yeah, you got to walk that fine line between getting them really nice and caramelized and not burnt.
All right, so now the scallops are almost ready to be flipped. We're going to flip them, add a little bit of butter, and just baste to finish.
Nice. Wow, those are perfect.
A little bit of whole butter. Just going to baste to barely cook them through. Then after that, we're going to take this this butter in this pan and make a pan sauce.
Nice.
Which is going to be a little bit of red onion and asparagus. Finished with lemon juice.
Perfect for spring.
So there we go. That's it.
90%
on one side and barely on the other side.
And just still a little underdone on the
Yep,
middle, right?
We'll carry over a little bit.
Beautiful, nice and sweet, caramelized, perfect.
So now we're just going to cut up a little bit of onion to make the sauce.
Okay. Red onion?
Yes, we red onion. You could use a shallot or whatever you have.
Look at those knife skills. I can tell you've done this a few times before.
A little bit.
It's like perfect.
So we're just going to add a little bit of the red onion. We're going to saute that a little bit, and then we're just going to add just a chiffonade or a julienne of fresh asparagus.
Nice. This is just going to be like a sauce.
Yeah, a little sauce to finish it. Lemon juice, butter sauce.
Awesome.
The asparagus in with the brown butter and onion. A little salt. We're going to add a little white wine to the asparagus. A couple of drops of stock. I'm going to reduce that down a little bit and then finish with a little bit of butter.
Great.
Just to bring it together.
Simple and tasty.
Very simple. So we'll wait for that to come down a little bit. So now the stock and the white wine's almost reduced down. You can add a little bit of the butter. Just to finish.